In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume order book in Tradingview Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get set up so you can start using the volume order book in your own Tradingview charts. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. What matters is that you're on the main charting screen. At the top of the chart, you'll see the main toolbar. Look for the button labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. This is where Tradingview keeps all the tools you can add on top of your chart. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button. When you do that, a new window or panel will pop up over your chart. This panel can feel a little overwhelming at first because there are lots of categories, from built-in indicators to community scripts. To make things easy, you're going to use the search box at the top of this panel. Click on the search box so your cursor is active there. Now start typing volume order book. Typing the name directly is the fastest way to find it, instead of browsing through menus. As you type, Tradingview will filter the list in real time and show you any indicators that match that name. Once you see volume order book appear in the results, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the version you actually want. You might see several similar indicators created by different authors, so check the title and description if needed. When you've confirmed the right one, simply click on it once. Tradingview will automatically add the volume order book to your chart. You should now see the volume order book either overlaid on your price chart or in a separate panel below it, depending on how the script is designed. From here, you can customize it by hovering over the indicator's name on the chart and clicking the settings icon. Adjust things like colors, display style, or any specific parameters the script offers, so it matches your personal trading layout. Finally, if you don't already have Tradingview Pro and you want access to all the features shown in this video, make sure to use the affiliate link in the description. It's a simple way to get started with the Pro version while supporting the channel.